everyone. I'm elated to be part of this exclusive event about which I'll discuss in a while. But before that, I, Viral Hunch, would like to welcome you all on behalf of 8 Eyes Production House. 8 Eyes Production House is a well-known name in the Gujarati film industry, especially for their music videos and films. Up till now, they have produced 4 films and some music videos. Having said that, this production house is always open for innovation and is ready to explore the world of cinema with an eagle eye. But COVID was for all, right? The pandemic left no one in the world if we talk about losses, be it personal or professional. And it wouldn't be wrong if I may say, the film fraternity saw it closely. The artists had difficulties in managing their daily living during this phase. But today, without a doubt, the time has changed, where everybody has picked up their game stronger than before, and so has the film industry, especially the Gujarati. Keeping all this in mind, 8 Eyes Production House thought to be helpful and creative at the same time by bringing in an interesting concept in the regional cinema. And guess who has joined us in this great initiative? Yes, none other than the dearest and most loved celebrities of Gujarati cinema, Malhar Thakur and Arohi Patel.
Yes, we are here to talk about an amazing opportunity for all the filmmakers and artists to come and showcase their talent through a unique competition, GCPL, Gujarati Cinema Premier League.
What does an artist need? A platform to perform, an opportunity to show their talent. Answer to all these is GCPL, as it is going to be the platform where all the passionate filmmakers, be it aspiring or established ones, come together under a roof and bring out the best.
That's right. This initiative of GCPL is going to be a helping aid for many aspiring filmmakers and artists to come forward and showcase their talent through short films. That too at a national and international level, which means this platform will become a medium to promote Gujarati short films and its makers. This concept is no less than a desire to promote Gujarati film culture in the Gujarati cinema world. And by being the wind beneath the wings of this initiative, 8 Eyes Production House is launching the very season of Gujarati Cinema Premier League. The season 1 will be opening up a call to all the production houses from every corner of Gujarat state, which means not only the cities like Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Baroda and Surat will be taking part, but also cities like Bhuj, Jamnagar, Bhavnagar, Mehsana and so on will be taking part in this Premier League. Out of total entries, only 8 production houses, some technicians and 80 artists will be taken on board. Thereafter, an auction will be conducted in which the 8 production houses will have to choose their team of 8 artists. These 8 artists will be actor, director, writer, editor, singer, music director and a cinematographer. Hence, GCPL will have 8 such teams who will make a short film of 30 minutes each. This way, by the end of the 4 rounds, total 20 short films will be made on different genres. The competition will undergo elimination of 2 teams in each round, which would leave us with 2 best films to select the ultimate winner of the league. Of course, there are exciting prizes for the winners along with many awards and rewards. You must be wondering how the selection process will be done. You will be excited to know that all these short films will be released on OTTs and on GCPL's official YouTube channel, where GCPL jury will select the best film. Isn't it interesting? It is, right? तो इतना ही नहीं, picture तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, because GCPL aims to organize an award function at the end of the league, which means, yes, there are going to be felicitation of participants in the respective award categories. Moving forward, we would like to address the benefits to the sponsors on their association with GCPL. And they are promotion in different cities of Gujarat, digital promotion, radio promotion, chance to work with well-known personalities of Gujarati cinema. The production houses or producers will be benefited by receiving promotion in different cities of Gujarat, exploring different genres for performance, chance to work with well-known artists of the industry, chance to showcase their films at an international level. Thereafter, the artists and technicians participating in GCPL will be benefited by receiving a chance to act in the short films, exploring different genres for performance, recognition at an international level. They can receive an awards too, and sidewise there will be some remuneration as well. The sponsors and partners associated with GCPL will get an amazing exposure to their business with the help of the different forms of branding, which includes films, television, social media, newspapers, outdoor holdings and radio pub. Well, all these benefits are for participants. But what about the viewers? So let me tell you that our viewers are going to get 20 fantastic films to watch by the end of this week, that too in different genres. Trust me, that is no less than a treat for a movie buff like me.
So, are you an actor, a director, a writer, editor or cinematographer, or a producer?
If yes, then come and join us in this exciting journey which is full of entertainment, excitement and earnings.
So are you guys excited to be part of GCPL? If yes, then quickly register on GCPL's website, that is www.gcplofficial.com. We hope through this initiative of GCPL, Gujarati film industry will come out of this tough situation of COVID and will help in providing more work to not only filmmakers and artists, but also to every technician of Gujarati film industry. We also hope that through this initiative like GCPL, our audience will also get new and more amazing content to watch. So what are you guys waiting for? Come and be part of GCPL.
GCPL is full of opportunities.
GCPL is a platform for entertainment, excitement and earning.
And
GCPL is surely a new phase for Gujarati film industry.
With this, I, Viral Hunt, signing off and hope to see you soon again in the launching event of GCPL. Till then, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.